Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that you should never ever skip in your skincare routine, okay? And that is sunscreen. I'm going to be comparing and showcasing two options today. The Mary Kay Broad Spectrum SPF 50 for face and body, and the Mary Kay Mineral Facial Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I'm going to also explain why sunscreen is so incredibly important for your skin health every single day. Okay, so before we jump into the products, I want to talk about why sunscreen matters so much. This is coming from somebody. We have a pool, so we have people in and out of the sun and in the sun for long periods of time here at my home. But you guys, sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays. That is both UVA and UVB. UVA rays cause premature aging like wrinkles and dark spots. Okay, so have you ever seen I'm going to use my mom as an example. Sorry, mom, don't mean to throw you under the bus. But have you ever seen those dark spots on your mom or your grandma's skin? Just like big dark spots. Those are sunspots. Okay. Back in the day, even when I was a baby, iodine and baby oil that's your sunscreen. Okay. And it wasn't even sunscreen. It was just letting you soak it in. Right. And so harmful, right? UVB rays are what are responsible for your sunburns. Okay, so as I have gotten older, I burn way easier than I did when 15 years ago, when I could just pop out there and throw some oil on and be done, right? We were sun babies. But here's the big one. You guys, unprotected sun exposure increases your risk of skin cancer. My mother-in-law just went through 3 bouts of removal for skin cancer. Okay, so that's why dermatologists recommend wearing sunscreen daily, even when it's cloudy or you're indoors near windows. You guys, this is my office. My office is lined with windows. I am in front of sun all day long. Okay. And then if you care about anti-aging, sunscreen is actually the most effective product that you can use to prevent the damage before it even starts. Okay, so let's jump right on into the products. So product number 1, we are going to start with our Mary Kay Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 50. This is a chemical sunscreen. That means that it absorbs the UV rays and converts them into heat. But here's what I like about the 50. Okay, it's lightweight and it's smooth. Okay, it absorbs quickly into your skin and it does not leave a white cast. It's also great under makeup if you're going out and about. Now, we do have some skincare options for your face that have SPF 30 in them, but that's part of your skincare routine. So this is just added protection. So I'm going to show you. I have not opened this one yet, so we're going to open it. This is my brand new one for this year. Okay, well, we're just going to leave that there. Okay, so this is the SPF 50, and I'm going to show you on my arm. It just absorbs. It's super lightweight. It's scent-free, just very, very lightweight, okay? Okay, the SPF 50 is going to give you a higher level of protection, which is actually perfect if you're spending more time outdoors with extra coverage. And so when I'm in the pool, this is what I have on. Okay, it's ideal for normal to oily skin, people who want that invisible finish, and it's also great every day under your makeup. Okay, now let's talk now about the product number 2, our Mineral Facial Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Okay, this is a mineral sunscreen, meaning it sits on top of your skin and physically blocks the UV rays using ingredients like zinc oxide. The chemical sunscreen absorbs the UV rays. This one actually blocks it. Okay, So here's what this is great for. It's gentle and great for sensitive skin. Hi, that's me. This is what I use on my face every single day. It's free from chemical fillers and filters. Okay. For those of you who are more worried about like the chemical aspect, the mineral is absolutely a great option for you. It provides a more natural skin protective barrier. Okay. Mineral sunscreens can leave a slight white cast, especially on the deeper skin tones or if you're getting into the pool. Okay, keep that in mind. If you're going to be wet, this is going to leave a white cast and it might look like you're running a little bit. Okay, but they're often preferred because of their skin friendly benefits. So before we actually had the SPF 50 that was released, I actually used this SPF 30 on my entire body. So I was going through these like water every summer. Okay, so this one is best for sensitive or reactive skin. If you react to sunscreen, this one is going to be a little bit less. I'm so sorry for the itching, you guys. Just little side note, I have a laundry detergent allergy and forgot I had some things that were not washed properly and put them on Sunday. So I'm still dealing with some itchy allergy stuff for that. Sensitive skin. Hi. But this is also great for post-treatment skin. So if you have a facial or a peel at somewhere else and you're not using Mary Kay, la la la, I don't want to hear it. But this is great for that. And it's also for people who prefer a clean approach to skincare options. Okay. So let's talk SPF 30 and SPF 50. What is the difference? Here's the quick breakdown. SPF 30 is going to block about 97% of UVB rays. Okay. SPF 50 is going to block about 98%. It's a very small difference, but it can matter if you're in strong sun for long periods of time. Okay. So here's how to use your sunscreen properly. No matter which one you choose, there are 3 things that I'm going to tell you, okay? I'm going to read these off because I want to make sure that you are getting the right stuff. So you're going to want to use about a nickel size amount for your face, and you're going to apply that as the last step in your skincare routine prior to makeup. You are also going to want to reapply every 2 hours if you're outside. Okay, so I look at it this way. Every time I take a break from the pool, to run inside to do something or to use the restroom, I'm reapplying my sunscreen. Okay, so here are my final thoughts. Both of these Mary Kay sunscreens, they're solid options, you guys. It really comes down to your skin type and your personal preference on sunscreens, okay? If you want something lightweight and invisible, you're going to want to go for the SPF 50. If you want something for sensitive skin or you prefer mineral formulas, the SPF 30 is also a great pick. So listen, you guys, at the end of the day, the best sunscreen is the one that you're actually going to use consistently. Okay, super important. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare and makeup content. And let me know, which sunscreen do you prefer? Do you prefer chemical or mineral? And I will see you guys in the next video.